Hello dowsing devotees, here's another tip to improve your dowsing accuracy. Enjoy!
Hi there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and Mind Body Wisdom expert. This video is going to provide another dowsing tip for people who are still not at the level they'd like to be. This is one that works for me. I can't really say for a lot of other people because I haven't interviewed a lot of people about if this works for them. But for me, I always focus on the question, never the two answers. Like say I'm going to ask, should I go for a 30-minute walk today instead of a 60-minute walk? Now, you know, I don't want to go for that 60-minute walk. So I'll be focusing on yes to the 30-minute walk and then dowse. And I'm focusing on the reply that I want, not the question. So you won't get an honest answer because it's likely your muscle system or your subconscious mind or even your conscious mind, something is going to give you the answer you want. Yeah, 30-minute walk. That's what you get. So what I do is actually I try to go into the alpha state very quickly by I raise my eyes up to the ceiling for some reason. That just started working when I started doing that. And then I ask the question, would it be beneficial for me to take my beautiful human body on a 30-minute walk today instead of a 60-minute walk today? Outside, stay inside. Okay, this is my no answer, this is my yes answer. That's what has worked for me. Staring up at the ceiling, which brings you into the alpha state, and then asking the question while focusing on the question at hand, never the answer. Just let your hands or whatever you're doing, your pendulum move or your dowsing rods, whatever, and just relax. If you're asking a question about something that's very crucial to you, like will I get this job or will I lose my house or whatever, you have to be in the most calmest state to ask a question like that, because otherwise your energy could be just so stressed you're going to override and mess up the incoming answers and your intuition and such. You have to be completely relaxed. Now I know that sounds like a lot in this day and age, but you got this, and it's going to be really beneficial to you in your body, mind, emotions, and spirit, and of course your dowsing skills. So that's today's quick tip. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Rock on with that dowsing, baby. You got it. You got the power. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.